will see how to install QGIS software. We will see demonstration of opening a map in QGIS software. Special thanks to developer of QGIS for providing wonderful software. So let's install QGIS software. Search QGIS download and most probably you will get this link on top, download.qgis.org. Open this download QGIS link in new tab and you will get this page on your screen. Now considering your operating system, Windows, Mac, Linux or any other, you can download your respective version. We have two versions available here, 64-bit and 32-bit. So considering your system, you can download the version. Now here we have two releases available. One is the latest one. So as on November 2020, version 3.16 is available. If you want to download most stable version, so 3.10 is also available. So download this version considering your operating system. I have downloaded QGIS 3.14 version for my computer. So just start your installation by double clicking this. And this wizard will help you in installation of QGIS 3.14. Just agree terms and conditions and select your destination folder. Make sure to select QGIS, and these are the additional datasets which are available if you want to install, and the space required is 1.8 GB for this. So just start your installation. This will take few seconds considering your system capacity, and that's it. QGIS 3.14 has been installed in my computer. Just click to finish this. Go to your start button and start QGIS desktop 3.14. So QGIS 3.14 Pi will be starting in few seconds. And yes, this is the interface of QGIS software. So let's begin with our first project. Let's start new project. Go to this project menu and click on new. So this is our project area, and in this project we will open one city map and then we will add some text on that map. So for that, go to this layer, under this go to add layer and go to this add raster layer submenu. In my computer, one city map is already downloaded under E drive. So this is the Ahmedabad city map PNG file which is already downloaded in my system. So I am opening this file and then just click on add and close this. So the file city map file is now added to this project, and you can see this is the layer which is added and which is selected. If we deselect this, map will be invisible, and when we select this, it's visible now. So let's add one text on this. For that, just go to this text annotation and click somewhere here around Navarangpura, and let's add one custom message. For that, double click and write your message here. This is my university, and you can change your formatting according to your requirement. So click on apply and then OK. You can adjust where you want to keep this text, and then you can export this map by going to this project menu and export map to image. So keep most of the parameter as it is, just save this and give the name. So let's give name updated city map. You can select the file format which you want, BMP, JPG. Let's keep this PNG and then click on save. So this file will be saved under QGIS data in the specified location. So this is the file which is created with the label. So adding text to map is very simple.